Hey, in the last week or so, we've been doing a lot of Chryslers. Here's happens to be another one. We did a carburetor one. We did an Edelbrock EFI. This happens to be the MSD Atomic EFI. All these Chryslers make some really serious horsepower. This one's one of our mellowest, but it's still upper 400s. And again, here at Performance Unlimited, we custom build each and every engine to order. So if there's anything we can help you with, please feel free to call us at 1-800-267-3940. If you're looking for reliability and horsepower, Performance Unlimited. There is no other. Thank you.